there are no Jews in Oświęcim today. There is only a very interesting museum and educational center called Auschwitz Jewish Center. And I also did an internship there during the summer after the end of my studies. I think there is one synagogue that remained in Oświęcim. It's actually also a very interesting story. It's a synagogue that served as a warehouse for the Nazis, so it remained untouched. And during the communist times, it was a shop. So just like the most synagogues, it was a shop with carpets, I think. And but after the communism, it was the end of communism. It was decorated, and it is now really beautiful. And I think this is the first synagogue that I visited. Later on, while in Israel, I met a girl whose great-grandfather served as a shames in this synagogue. So it was such an amazing meeting. And he managed to flee before the war started. So meeting her was for me really, I will never forget her, because I know that the place where I worked, I told many tourists about this place and its function before the war and the things that happened there, but I never thought that I would be able to meet someone like this, a great-granddaughter of a man who worked there. And it was a coincidence that we met, so it was really very special.